Okay, 01. What was our company code?
IMCO.
IMCO.
Sure.
400, 500. Currency rate AED. 7,000. 27,101. 18,000. Post one document, rent, and 36,102. Okay, 102 was posted. You want to see the document display? Okay, salary account, rent account, cash account, 27, 18, and 45 is total cost center. That is posted through is cost center 101, P01 is profit center, and IM passenger vehicle segment is also hit. Okay, next is FB01L01. Okay, 400, 500, 36 and 9. 1002. 400, 600, 9,000, 1002, 9,050, 200, 691. Post. Uh-oh. 003. Okay. 50, 200, 691. Post. Okay. 103 is posted. Okay. Now, we've already done this searching previously, and document splitting is also done. Now we're going to display cost center KSB1. KSB1 and IMCO 1001, 1002. These are our cost centers. 01, empty, execute. So we'll have three documents. Okay, prod, cost center group, cost center element. Okay, cost center group, prod, 400, 500, 400, 600. Cost center group is prod. And execute. Okay, and we can change the layout. We can choose our layout, but will not. We will. Okay, this is our primary cost posting. This is the layout. We'll change the layout again with business transaction. And we have document number. This is from CO. This is a transaction from CO. This is the document from FI number. This is in USD. This is in AED. This is dirhams. Okay. This is USD. This is controlling area currency. Okay. Select document number column, left over button, select document number column, left over, enter, make a note of business transaction. We've already seen this. Okay. Primary postings, which is coming from A0. This is from controlling area. Okay. And business transactions, we've already seen that. Cost center's new actual line item is KSB1N. KSB1N. Same path. Okay. Prod 400, 600. Profit center line items. Okay. Execute. Okay. Now we've got the balances and the transactions. We'll use this layout. And we have document number from FI, from CO. Okay, K5Z. This is center report. KE5Z. IMCO posting period is 1. And execute. And we have these postings in USD. This is controlling area currency. Okay, display table, ACDOCA and document. KSB5. Now, SC11. SC11 and ACDOCA. This is our main table. Okay, environment, data browser, table contents, and here we will have all the transactions related to our controlling and finance. Okay, Gija, Bellner, systems. Providers. Field label. Okay. Okay, company code is IMCO. Fiscal year is 2005. And execute ledger can be 0L. So these are documents that we have passed. This is the main table which catches all the transactions, and this is transactions are coming from controlling. So this is a big table, and mastering this table is also a part of FI CO. KSB5 is the next one. KSB5. Same path, document number. Okay, we don't have a document number. Okay. KSB1. Okay. Layout, transaction. There's a document number. Control Y, Control C, Control Y, Control C. KSB 5. Execute environment menu, relationship browser. Okay. So this is the document that we posted. Environment, relationship browser. Okay, repost CO line item. This function is used to retry posting to wrong CO objects. For example, if during FI posting that has been posted to wrong cost center, you can transfer to right cost center without having impact on FI posting. In this transaction, only a C document is generated. Okay, document number is this, and value transaction is value transaction 11,000 and 7,000. Okay, but let's first see this relationship. Okay, so we have controlling document, accounting document, profit center document. Double click to display the document, and this is the document. Okay, so that's how we can see the relationships also. Okay, KB61, KB61, document number 400, 600 does not exist. Okay. Okay, now from this we can, okay, 11,000, okay. 02 from this document, we will enter 11,001,003, and it will create another entry. Okay, 7,000. Now 7,000 from this 1003, and it will create me another for 102, and we will post it without impacting the finance side. So this is the controlling document that has been generated without impacting FI. Okay. Okay. Yes, maintain version array for specified fiscal year and 1K if set control parameters for actual data. Okay, 1K F. Okay, line items will be posted, it will done real time. Okay, good. Case B1N. Case B1, we've already seen this. Okay, and case B1N. Okay, let's check it again. Case B1N. Okay. So we will have some RKU3 90, and this was posted in cost center. Cost element. Okay, we'll have to add cost center here somewhere. No, cost center is already there. 103 paint shop. Okay, 11 and 7. Okay. Creating common cost center. Creating common cost center KS01. Common. Okay. 2000. Common CC. common system. Cost center category, production. Hierarchy will be the same. No profit center, save. Enter, press enter, and it will, this orange thing will go away. Posting a common center FB01L 36 and 9. 36 and 9. 36 and 9. Okay, 104 posted KE5Z. Okay, E01 dummy. This was 104 just posted right now. Okay, it's showing in USD. This is controlling area currency. Okay, so we can change our layout. Profit center, cost center, and cost center is 2000. Okay, so that's it for today.